My name is Apolot Magdalene. I come from Pallisa District, Kamek Sub-County, Kwarikwari Parish. I go to know Gudie Leisure Farm through our parish chief. When I came to Gudie Leisure Farm, I experienced good environment. It was cool and it was favoring my body. In aquaculture, I learned about cost-benefit analysis. Under cost-benefit analysis, I learned about cost categories. Under cost categories, I went ahead and I looked at equipments. After equipments, we moved ahead on description. Under description, we learned about tanks, feeders, and their units were numbers. Again, under cost category, we moved ahead and we looked at labor. Under description, we looked at salaries. When they are still young, afraid to fingerling, you give them crumb of 0.8 millimeters. And when they're in juvenile stage, you give them 4 millimeters. When they are at table size, you give them 6 millimeters. Of their feeds, the challenges we face in aquaculture, there is a challenge of predators eating the catfish from the ponds. In aquaculture, we face a challenge of bad fishing methods. Apart from aquaculture, again I learned about if you want to operate a business, the steps which you are meant to follow. 1, you research for the business name. Secondly, you register your business name. Again, you must be having enough capital for starting that business. In aquaculture symposium, we looked at value chain. After the value chain, we looked at nursing. After nursing, we looked at marketing. After marketing, we looked at logistics. When I go back to Pallisa, I'm going to trade 100 use on how to operate on aquaculture category, how to feed these fingerlings and the table size.